I'm very honored to be here as a celebrity guest at Business Genius, right? We actually see the name for what?
Business Genius
Business Genius Bangladesh 2024. So, I'm Simran Bhava, and I'm an artist and a ESL trainer. Throughout my life, I have faced a lot of, journeys actually. And throughout my life, I have faced false blame that could easily have broken me, but I digested that and I grew stronger. One thing I came to believe deeply is that pains and mistakes. Uncle said that celebrated guests. I know celebrated what? Meal? A meal? Yeah, I know. But it's okay. You can make fun of me and do whatever you want. I just want to say that from inside, I have faced a lot of hardships. I want to say that, but it made me strong. It actually made me strong. Thank you so much.
Chairman of my company. He is the senior of my in Bangladesh Navy.
ভাই ভালো যদি পরিশ্রম এবং সততা থাকে তাহলে বেশি বেশি রেভিনিউ আর্ন করার সবচেয়ে বেশি সুযোগ কিন্তু এসে আর বিশেষ কিছু বলবো না। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।